Hello guys, today is a test drive of the car. Yep, it's fully charged. Okay, so first, everybody will know this control buff, but for some people that don't know, the controls, I've learned it. This is my first time having this controller. So if you push back, that's forward. If you put your finger forwards, that's backwards. Then this is to go left, and this is to go right. So let's see how it does. Okay, so the car is very nice. The radio I was trying to go it out of the door. But the radio, it's actually, the car can go very far and the radio can be very far. But the car can still go. The radio is very strong. Okay, wait, maintenance. Okay, it's back. Okay. This car can go up deserts. It can go anywhere. So far the car is doing great. Actually. And see, the remote is here and the car is all the way there. So that's so good. Oh. It has a lot of speed too. Like, I tried it. Like, one day I'll do a drag race with this. Like it's actually very, very fast. This car goes on these deserts. You can go on the deserts, you can go on hills, you can go anywhere. And by the way, if you're asking, do I have many RC cars? Of course I do. But I'll show it in this episode too. So, the quality of the car is actually very good. The remote is very nice too. So, now let's go see my long lost RC cars. Okay, so we have a wide collection of RC cars to show you guys. So I'll show you the first one. Okay, so I only have one working, and it's this one. So this car is a spring car. It does not have much spring as the last car, our new car that I just showed, that black one. Remote's pretty simple, nothing more. So let's go on to the next one. So this note, this was the only one that is working, and all the others won't work. So yeah, bye. I'll show you the next one. Okay, the note, the next one, I don't have the battery, that's why it does not work, but I still have the remote. Let's go. This tanker thingy has a big gun that shoots, like you put water in it and it shoots like some spark. Some air stuff. Remote simple. I haven't played with this RC car for a while, so I don't know what these both buttons do. This is just a fake button. This does not work. On to the next one. So this car, it's actually very nice. We call it Beep Beep. I took it to India for some reason. When I was 4, I stole my mother's nail polish and I colored it. Back then he used to work, now he just stopped working. Rest in peace, Beep Beep. Well, it's a very nice car. I don't have the remote, but it's just been sitting and collecting dust. And it also feels like it's very dusty. So it's a very nice car. Now on to the next one. Let's go. It's very big, giant car, which also does not have a battery. Got this for Valentine's Day. Not this Valentine's Day. Long back ago in 2020. It's a nice car. Next one was my favorite car and it broke. It is not even a car, it's a tank. So on to the next one, that's my favorite. Actually, I only have the remote because the tank broke. This is such a nice tank. I have one videos of one tank battling, but I did not post it onto YouTube. That same tank was battling in the old house. Yeah, this is to move the tank. It's a rotary. This is the car. This is the gun and this is the mini gun. Such a nice car. Tank. It's very nice. So the next one I'm going to show them all in this one. So this is last. So yeah, we have all of the cars. This one, it is very nice. It had its own pedals and this own steering. Actually the steering worked like this, but if you wanted to go childish, there are buttons. So this one I got in India from my friend. Not my friend, my father's brother. He gave me this car. It's actually very nice. When you press forward, the car actually works. And just for proof that I don't have the battery is it opens very, very weirdly. You have to off it to open it. But it is a very nice car. Next one. Airdrop incoming. You know those watch cars, you talk into them? Yeah, they're trash. They not work at all. And then this wheel broke. See? Actually, see the connection, it's connected here. The connection is not connected here. See it? This thing, it's not connected. But in here, it's connected. So yeah, those are not all my RC cars. I don't know where they are, but I have a lot. So this is the test drive and how many RC cars video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.